On our platform, your calendar is the place where you can review check-ins and check-outs, but it's also where you can view and compare price quotes. Simply select the dates you want to view and click either Request Quote or Compare All. The Compare All option allows you to view and compare quotes 3 different ways: internally with Vacay Home Connect, on your property management system, or on the individual channel. When you click the Compare All option, you can see the details of each quote, including taxes and fees. Our platform makes it easy to see when taxes and fees aren't showing up properly and where the problem traces back to. You can view this information on an individual reservation, or you can navigate to our platform's analytics section to quickly figure out why taxes and fees aren't matching. Having all this information in one place ensures you have the most accurate rates, taxes, and fees. You can also be proactive about handling potential accounting errors, and you'll never lose money because you have the wrong data. Our team will also assist you with discrepancies, making sure everything matches from your property management system all the way up to the channel you're listed on. Thank you for choosing Vacay Home Connect.